How to install clip-in hair extensions like a pro. The ultimate guide. Have you ever dreamed of having long, voluminous, cascading hair without spending years growing it out or hours sitting in a salon chair? You are not alone. The secret to an instant transformation lies in learning how to install clip-in hair extensions properly. Unlike permanent bonding methods or sew-ins, clip-ins are quick, non-damaging, and give you the ultimate flexibility to change your look in minutes. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to refine your technique for a seamless blend, this comprehensive guide will walk you through the exact steps to achieve professional level results at home. https rawhairluxury.com/how-to-install-clip-in-hair-extensions-like-pro/ Hashtag how to install clip-in hair extensions. Hashtag clip-in hair extensions. Hashtag how to maintain clip-in hair extensions. Hashtag purchase clip-in hair extensions. Hashtag raw hair luxury.